How to export WhatsApp web chat. In this video, I'll show you how to export WhatsApp web chat. So to get started, go ahead and open WhatsApp web and then sign into your account. And then head over into that conversation where you want to export a chat. And then click on the three dots to the top right of that conversation. So once you click on these three dots at the top right of this conversation, you'll be able to find the option to select messages. So click on it and then select all of the messages that you want to export. So since we want to export this whole chat, we need to go ahead and check all of the messages in here before we click that download button at the bottom right corner of our screen. So once you click on this would all be exported. And that is how you can basically export WhatsApp web chat. Take note that this is different if you're going to export your chats from the mobile app.